It's the Hot Wheels World Race. Now you can be part of the World Race. Choose from 35 tricked-out cars, and if you buy all 35 cars, you can send away to get the World Race Ultimate Track Set free. Plus shipping and handling by mail while supplies last. Batteries not included. See package for details.
Going faster, gonna pass ya.
Hot Wheels leading the way. Hot Wheels World Race cars, each sold separately.
Now, you can race Burt Wheeler and Taro Kitano in the Hot Wheels World Race. Choose from 35 tricked-out cars, make the cut with your favorite team, race with Burt on the greatest loop track set, and nail extreme stunts. Or show Kurt Wilde a trick or two on the greatest challenge track set. Master 4 different tracks. And if you buy all 35 cars, you can send away for the ultimate track set over 8 feet long free. Plus shipping and handling by mail while supplies last. World Race track sets and vehicles each sold separately. Available in the Hot Wheels toy aisle while supplies last. Hot Wheels leading the way.
Now you can live the Hot Wheels World Race with World Race caps, tees, school supplies, and more. Hot Wheels World Race gear, each sold separately. Get into the race in style.
Now you can battle it out with an evil two-headed Raptor in Hot Wheels Raptor Blast. It's fast, it's tough, it's up to you. Reach hyperspeed in the turbo loop and try to get by the terrible twosome. Whoa, that Raptor almost gotcha. Go crazy fast. Time it. Hit it, attack it. That Raptor is done. Hot Wheels leading the way. Hot Wheels Raptor Blast track set comes with one car. You put it together. Batteries and other cars not included.
Now official Monster Jam action can come to your house. Can Jimmy play? With Hot Wheels Monster Jam Slime Arena. Ooh. You can crush cars into pancakes and slam through the RV. Then load the tanker with gooey slime. It's Grave Digger versus El Toro Loco. Let him go down the ramp, lose, and you get slime from head to tire. Hot Wheels leading the way. Your official Monster Jam action set comes with one monster truck. Adult assembly required. Other trucks sold separately.
You can run, but you can't hide. Introducing Hot Wheels Alien Attack. That creepy alien could be hiding anywhere in your space station. Surprise! You can hoist your car to the top to get a better view because your friend controls a car-munching alien that will suck you into the vortex trap. Watch out! It's chow time! Will you be ready for the next alien attack? Hot Wheels leading the way. Hot Wheels Alien Attack playset. You put it together. Cars and batteries not included.
This product is not yet rated.